Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today I'm here with the AA Ignition replacement AC condenser that fits a variety of GM vehicles from approximately 2014 to 2019. This includes the Chevrolet Silverado, Tahoe, Suburban, the GMC Sierra, Yukon XL, as well as the Cadillac Escalade and other GM vehicles. So the AC condenser unit here sits in the front of the vehicle, in front of the radiator. And what happens is the refrigerant from the AC system comes into the condenser. It goes through the condenser and it's cooled in the condenser before leaving. And this is what actually cools your AC system. Now, in order to install this on the vehicle, the AC system needs to be properly evacuated, vacuumed, and then recharged. So typically, this is for professionals only because you'll need to have an AC manifold to measure your pressures, and you'll also need an evacuation system to recover the Freon and then vacuum and recharge the system. So you'll notice that each of the ports in the condenser come with a plug in them. You'll want to make sure these plugs are removed right before installation. And in the corner over there and in the corner over here, there's two other plugs because there's actually sensors that are going to sit in the AC condenser. So if you guys have any questions about the AC condenser, if it's the right one for the vehicle you're working on, or anything about the installation, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help.